How to apply for Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about applying for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your any preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in Chase Sapphire Preferred Card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various links from where you need to click on the initial or the second one that is indicating Chase Sapphire credit cards. And once you click on it, you will be taken to a whole new interface where it is literally displaying Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card at the top and Chase Sapphire Reserve Credit Card at the bottom. So as we want to apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card, locate the Apply Now button that is highlighted in blue color in the right hand side of the screen and click on it. It will take you to a new page where you have to simply just scroll down and enter your first name. Then after your last name, enter the correct form of your date of birth, your mother's maiden name, your social security number or your individual tax ID number. Scroll down and enter your home address, your contact info that includes the correct form of your email address, your phone number. And then check this box to provide your electronic signature for the authorization of vote. For the financial info, choose the type of residence, your employment status, your total gross annual income, and more. After you have entered all the information correctly on this page, simply scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions by checking this box over here, and then click on the submit button that is highlighted in blue color and follow the on-screen instructions to apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. So this is how you can exactly apply for this Chase Sapphire credit card. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.